Hey guys, today we are going to be making Starbucks Cold Brew. It says that it's new. I don't know if that's true. Why am I rhyming? My husband found this at the store. He thought it would be, they were out of the thing that I normally get, so he got this to try. So we're gonna give it a try, see how it goes, see how it tastes. So it's like a taste test, I guess. So if you like coffee videos or other random videos, definitely go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all my other social media links down below, and we will get into this. So I just wanted to do a Starbucks video and see how this tastes. I hope it's delicious because I actually do really like the cold brew at Starbucks. So I just wanted to give this a try since my husband bought it for me. So this is called the Starbucks Cold Brew Concentrate. It says just add water, and it is in signature black. So it says it's our cold brew, your kitchen. The super smooth Starbucks cold brew you love is easy to make at home. We've cold steeped our custom blend of coffee, luring out subtly sweet chocolatey notes into this rich concentrate. Just add water and you're done. Tasting notes: smooth with subtly sweet chocolatey notes. So the directions are to fill your favorite glass with ice, pour 4 fluid ounces of concentrate, add 4 fluid ounces of water, and enjoy. Make it yours. Stir in milk, sugar, or other flavors for a tasty twist, or to prepare a larger serving, use a 1-to-1 ratio of water and concentrate. So that's pretty easy to figure out, and it does say to refrigerate after opening and use within 14 days. So I haven't opened this yet. So let's give this a try, see how it goes, and we'll go from there. So I've got my mason jar here. If you've seen any of my other coffee videos, you know that I am a mason jar fanatic. You can check out some of them above in the eye. And yeah, I do a lot of coffee videos because I really like trying the new coffees and stuff. So I don't know how new this is, but I've never seen it before. So it says to fill it with ice and then pour in 4 fluid ounces of concentrate and then 4 fluid ounces of water. I guess it doesn't matter what order you do it in. But I'm gonna use this because it has the ounces on the side. So I thought that would be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm gonna fill it with ice. Okay, so we've got our ice, we've got our cup filled with ice, not our ice filled with cup. So we're going to add the concentrate here. I don't know how you're supposed to measure 4 fluid ounces unless you're literally using a measuring device. I don't know anyone that's doing that with their coffee. That seems a little excessive to me personally. But maybe people are more likely to measure things. Honestly, I don't know. But I think 8 ounces is the average size of a regular coffee cup mug. So maybe you're supposed to do half and half. I don't know. It says a 1-to-1. So I guess if you're just guesstimating, it should be fine. I don't know. But we're scientific on this channel, so let's just exalt it up. Oops. Okay. So, ooh, that is a strong smell. Okay, smells good though. Okay, so let's pour in 4 ounces. I found my ounces here. 4. We did it. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. 8 ounces is not very much. I don't know why I think it's so much, but it's got ice in it, so it's not really 4 ounces, is it? Oh, it said to fill it with ice first, right? What is the science of this? Yeah, fill with ice. Well, it's even, so, I mean, 1-to-1, that's what it says to do, so let's mix it up. Give it a taste. Tasty. Tastes a lot like the Starbucks you would get at the store, but it's definitely not as strong. I feel like at the store it's like a stronger flavor. I don't know if that's just because my measurements are off because I put ice in it first, but that's what it says to do, so I don't know. But it does taste really good, and this would be so good. Okay, so this would be freaking delicious. I don't have any, and I wish I did, but I don't have any more. So this would be so good. You know how at the cold brew they have those cold cream foams? Those are freaking delicious. So I made a video, you can check it out above, and I made basically the foam that you could put on top. That would be so good on this with caramel. I'm a caramel fanatic. I love the caramel the most of all from Starbucks. So if I had some of that cream, the Starbucks creamer with the foam on top, and you could put like a little bit of vanilla in here. That would be ideal and freaking delicious. So I would definitely make that if I had those ingredients. I would definitely deem this successful. Definitely not as strong as I think that it should be in flavor. Like I could feel, I don't know if it's weird, but I could feel the caffeine. Is that weird? I feel like cold brew hits me different with the caffeine, but I definitely think that if you wanted an actual like Starbucks cold brew flavor, you should definitely add a little bit more of this versus the water. But it's good. It tastes good. I like it. And you don't have to like make it yourself. I once bought, I was gonna make a video, but then didn't. But they had the boxes of the cold brew that you could make in the fridge. Now that was definitely very strong. I definitely did not follow the directions on that because it was like add this much water, and then it was like add this much water, and then I had already added the water for the pitcher that I had. I didn't have a big enough pitcher. It's the short of the story. So that one was very strong. But this one's kind of cool because you can really customize it to like how strong you like your coffee, and I like it. Thumbs up. So that is that, and I think it is delicious. So definitely, if you like the cold brew at Starbucks, I would check this out, and definitely check out my other videos about my other Starbucks at home sort of things. And yeah, so that's it for today. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other social media links down below, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.